Here's how to find your Reels history on Facebook. Now open up facebook.com or the Facebook app, and let's say you were watching some Reels, maybe you liked a few of them and just swipe through and watch them. Now there are two different ways that we can see that Reels history or the videos that you've watched. The first one is in the settings. So let's go to your settings here on any device, iPhone, Android, or a computer. And within the settings, you'll be able to see the activity log as we scroll down. This shows you a subset of the videos you've watched. For whatever reason, it doesn't show you all of them, so I'll show you a second place to look as well. Let's scroll down from here, and you can see your Facebook activity. And within here, it's hidden in the posts section. You can see videos you've watched. Now, within videos you watch, you'll be able to see all of those videos, but you can see for me, it is blank. However, I just watched some Reels so that I know that I've watched some videos. Keep in mind, for whatever reason, it doesn't show them all on this list. If it does, great, look on here. If you don't find the one you're looking for, just tap on the Reels icon here and get back to your Reels. Now, you'll be able to see at the very top is a search icon. When you've tapped on that, you can see at the top Reels you've watched. I can hit see all, and it will load up again a subset of these Reels. Again, it doesn't show me every single one. For whatever reason, this is fairly glitchy on Facebook, but that's a second place that you can look for those Reels. Keep in mind, on any of these, you can tap on those three dots. You can save them to watch later so that you can always go back and rewatch them.